In this class, we can see about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In some organisms like bacteria, the nuclear region may be poorly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. So, bacteria do not have a nuclear membrane. So, that nuclear region is poorly defined. That means without a nuclear membrane, there is no boundary to the nucleus. Okay, that's why we say that the nuclear region is poorly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. Okay, such undefined nuclear region containing only the nucleic acids are called nucleoid. So what is nucleoid? The nuclear region where the nucleic acid is present is said to be as nucleoid, because here we cannot say it as a nucleus. Why we cannot say it as a nucleus? Because they do not have a nuclear membrane. So that region is said to be as nucleoid, and there only what is present? The nucleic acid is present and no nuclear membrane is there. Is it clear? And such organism which lack a nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes. So what are prokaryotes? Organisms whose cell lack a nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes. So their cell do not have a nuclear membrane. For example, bacteria. So the picture which here you are seeing is a bacterial cell, and here you can see this is the nucleic acid. What do you mean by this nucleic acid? We have seen that DNA is a nucleic acid. What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid, isn't it? So the DNA is the nucleic acid, or we can say the DNA will be present inside the chromosome. So the chromosome can form the nuclear region. Okay, yes. So here, can you see any membrane surrounding here, surrounding this nucleic acid? No, there is no membrane that surrounds the nucleic acid. So that region where the nucleic acid is present is said to be as nucleoid. Okay. The prokaryotic cells also lack the other cytoplasmic cell organelles which are present in the normal eukaryotic cell. You might have studied in your lower classes that mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, like that so many cell organelles are present in any cell, isn't it? But such cell organelles are not present in the prokaryotic cell. Okay, so most of the functions are performed by poorly organized parts of the cytoplasm. Okay, they are not clearly differentiated into organelles, but poorly organized parts of the cytoplasm will be performing such functions. Okay, the functions of the organelles will be performed by poorly organized part of the cytoplasm. Okay. For example, the chlorophyll which is present in chloroplast in the plant cells, isn't it? But the same chlorophyll, when it is present in prokaryotic bacteria, it is not present in the chloroplast, but it is present in membranous vesicles. Membranous vesicles means bag-like structures. Okay. So in that only, in such bag-like structures only, the chlorophyll is present, and that chlorophyll can be used for photosynthesis by prokaryotic organism like bacteria. Okay. Now what are eukaryotes? Organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. Okay. Organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. They are having the well-developed organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, or Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Okay. But prokaryotes are organisms whose cell do not have a nuclear membrane, and cell organelles are also absent in prokaryotes. Okay. Now we can see the difference between prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. First we can see the characteristics of the prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cells are generally small in size than that of the eukaryotic cell. The size may vary from 1 to 10 micrometer. Okay. Then the nuclear region is undefined. In prokaryotes, the nuclear region is undefined. That means they are not surrounded by nuclear membrane, and the nuclear region is known as nucleoid. Okay. Then the number of chromosome present in prokaryotic cell will be single. So the chromosome is single. Only one chromosome is present in prokaryotic cell. Then membrane bound organelles are absent. What do you mean by membrane bound organelles? Organelles which are surrounded by membranes are absent in prokaryotic cell. Okay, so these are some of the characteristic features of prokaryotic cell. So what are they? One is they are generally small in size. The size may vary from 1 to 10 micrometer. The nuclear region is undefined and not surrounded by nuclear membrane. The nuclear region is known as nucleoid. The number of chromosomes is 1 and membrane bound organelles are absent. Now when we see about the characteristics of this eukaryotic cell, the eukaryotic cell are generally large in size. That is, their size varies from 5 to 100 micrometer. Okay, so it is larger than the prokaryotic cell. Then the nuclear region is well defined. Okay, the nuclear region is well defined and it is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. So here we can say a well defined nucleus is present. Then the number of chromosome is more than one. Okay, more than one chromosome is present in eukaryotic cell. Then membrane bound organelles are present. That means the organelles which are surrounded by membranes are present in eukaryotic cell. Okay, so what are the characteristics of eukaryotic cell? They are generally larger in size than that of the prokaryotic cell. Their size varies from 5 to 100 micrometer. The nuclear region is well defined and it is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. More than one chromosome is present and membrane bound organelles are present. So when the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are asked, you can write the characteristics of the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell together. Okay. Next we can see the cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? The cytoplasm is the fluid content present inside the plasma membrane. We have seen that all cells are surrounded by a plasma membrane. So inner to that plasma membrane, the fluid substance which is present inside the cell is said to be as the cytoplasm. Okay, and this cytoplasm contains many specialized cell organelles. Okay, for example, we can say the mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. These are all the cell organelles. So they are present in the cytoplasm. Okay, the cell organelles are surrounded by membrane in eukaryotic cell. Okay, in eukaryotic cell, well-developed cell organelles are present and the cell organelles are surrounded by membranes. Okay, so all the cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus or mitochondria, they all are surrounded by membranes. So membrane bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell, but such cell organelles which are surrounded by membranes are absent in prokaryotic cell. Okay. Now, when we see about the viruses, these are also microscopic organisms, but they lack any membrane. They do not have any membrane. Okay. Only they have the genetic material which will be surrounded by a protein cover. You can see a variety of viruses in the picture given in the slide, isn't it? All these are different forms of different types of viruses, and you can see the different shapes of the viruses. Actually, this is the outer protein covering. Okay, they do not have a plasma membrane, only they are surrounded by a protein coat. Okay, and these viruses, they do not show the characteristics of life till they enter a living body. So unless it enters a body, it remains as dead only or a non-living thing. Okay, so for the virus to become live, it need a living body where it enters and use that cell, that is the host cell machinery, to multiply. So if it wants to multiply, it has to enter any living cell and it will be using the cell's machinery. Cell's machinery means what? The cell's genetic material, that is the cell's DNA. Okay, so it will be using the cell's DNA and thus it will be multiplying. Can you follow? So the viruses act as non-living things when it is present outside any living cell. But when it enters into a living cell, it will be using the machinery of the cell and thus it will be multiplying and it behaves as a living organism. So the life of the virus is based on the living cell where it lives. When it is outside the host cell, it acts as a non-living thing. Okay.